So today, students, we are going to discuss about turret lathe. The problem came. Then turret lathe is similar to capstan lathe or similar to center lathe. Only the difference seating of the turret is different. Seating of the turret head is different. For that purpose, only that is the main difference. The second one is turret is heavy duty machine if we compare the capstan lathe. Then next one is, if you see that we are going into specification, so whenever we wanted to buy the lathe, specification means whenever we wanted to buy a lathe, what are the specifications we have to tell. So that means what is the production we are going to do in the workshop. That specification is, the first number one point of the turret head is the maximum spindle bore. That means the rod passes through the spindle. Then taper. What is the taper provided? What is the size of the collet also important. So that is the main. The second one is swing diameter over bed. So what is the maximum diameter that rotates without touching the bed? That is swing diameter over bed. The second one is swing diameter over carriage. The carriage is there. That carriage, without touching the carriage, whatever the diameter rotates, that is swing diameter over carriage. The maximum spindle speed. What is the speed available in case of turret? So if we compare that, the more than the speed center lathe having some 2000, more than that the turret lathe will have. Then the rigidity of the machine also very good. The rigidity of the machine. Then the turret head type also we have to ask. Then next the feed revolutions per minute for the carriage and for cross light and for the turret. So then these are the main specifications of turret lathe. Then what are the accessories will be used on the turret lathe? Turret lathe, the tools which we are using for turning, which we are using for boring, which we are using for reaming, which we are using for whatever it may be, that will be held in the turret head or as well as in the turret tool post, which is a four-way tool post. Four-way tool post also will be available in case of turret. Then rear tool post also will be available for the turret. So in that case, because of the production number of tools we can set it. If the single tool cutter is there, only one tool is holding for turning the operation, that is single tool cutter tool post. Then if the two tools are more than two tools, multi-cutter. Then straight cutter or single cutter. Second one is multi-cutter tool holder. The tool holders which we are using. Then in the specification the tools will come in the next part. Then accessories which are holding on the spindle is first part. Then first part we will discuss. So the spindle we have either cam lock or taper key fitted or then threaded, any, whatever that depends on the spindle. Now we are going into discuss about maybe cam lock or taper key fitted, both will be available. Then in that, what check we are going to fix? Self-centering check we can fix. 4-jaw check we can fix. Then combination check we can fix. Collets we can fix. Collets used for holding the diameter in the bore. Collets are used to hold the rods. That means when we are using the checks, bigger size job also can be held. When we are using the self-centering check, concentricity will come fast. Then combination check, some eccentric also we can produce number of pieces. Then combination check mainly used for producing identical jobs, already we discussed. Though these facilities are there. Not only that, then what are the collets which we are using? Push out collet, drawback collet, push in collet, dead length bar collet. There are so many collets we are using in the capstan lathe. These are all work holding devices. Mari tool holding devices, tools we have to hold. These are the work holding device. Jobs we can fix. Collet in the collet we can fix. In the tail in the Fourier check we can fix. In the combination check we can fix. In the independent check we can fix. So like this, these are the work holding devices. Mari tool holding devices, another are tool holding devices. Tool holding devices are turret. In the turret types are there. Sometimes hexagonal turret is there. Sometimes this octagonal turret is there. Sometimes pentagon turrets are available. So any type, whatever it may be, that turrets are used for holding the tools. Either turning tool or drilling tool or boring tool or reaming tool or threading tool or external threading tool, whatever it may be. Sometimes thread rolling holder also can be held. Thread rolling, reaming tools, so many tools we can held in case of turret head. So that tools one by one we will discuss. One is single cutter tool holder. Single cutter means only one tool will be fitted. Then multi-cutter tool holder. This multi-cutter tool holder, there are two tools can be fitted. That also you can see in the figure. Page number you can open and see page number 194. Then how the one tool will come up like this. Then first operation is over, second tool is coming and cutting like this. Step diameters we can produce with the help of multi-cutter. Not only that, sometimes we can operate carriage as well as the turret head. Both operations we can complete in case of turret. So turret, two tools can be applied or three tools can be applied. Three tools, that means opposite tool will not come. Two tools, either in carriage or a carriage and turret head. Otherwise, on the turret head, multi-tool will be used to make the step diameter. That is multi-tool cutter holder. Then offset tool holder, offset cutter tool. This offset means, offset tool you know very well in case of lathe tools, you learned offset tool, what is there. That tool we can hold. Then next, combination tool holder. Combination tool holder means two tools we can hold. Then box turning tool holder also we can hold. We can hold in the turret head, because box turning tools, the study also will be provided. In case of turret, one spindle will come out from the headstock to give support for the holder's head is support. Then that will be seated over this. Then that is given like this shaft on that. The bush will go move and give support for that. Then next to slide tool holder. Slide, the name is given. Slide means move. Slide tool holder also will be available. Then drill tool holder, drill holders. So you are holding the drill to do drilling operation. You are holding the reamer holder also available for reaming operation. You are holding the drill chuck for center drilling operation. Center drill holder also will be available. Then tap holder is there. Tap holder. So tap holder, it holds the tap to complete the internal threading. Die holder is there. If you hold the die holder, then if you pass this one over the job, that means it will go and produce the external thread over the job. Then not only this, forming tool holders are there. Forming tool holders, straight tool holder and curved tool holder. Then circular tool holder. Like this, there are another attachments also. So box type tool holder lo, in the box type tool holder, V shape support will be there. Then box type tool holder, then this one rollers steady will be used. Rollers front and rollers back sometimes. So like this, so many tools. If you write this, many tools. Once again I am telling you, number one, straight cutter or a single tool holder, then multi tool holder, then another tool holder, combination tool holder, then next fourth one, drill tool holder, reamer tool holder, die tool holder, tap tool holder, box turning tool holder. Like this, many tool holders in the list. Right. All of you, don't mute, keep in the mute condition. Then like this tool holder. In this case, there are attachments also will be used in the turret lathe. What are the attachments? Number one, taper turning attachment. Number two, threading attachment. Threading attachment can be fitted for the turret lathe, and taper turning attachment also can be fitted for turret lathe. Then after this, what are the types of turrets? So in these types of turrets, like this one turret, this is horizontal type. Then like this another turret, this is another type. Then angular turret head, yesterday we discussed about that, inclined hanging. So in this saddle type turret, we will discuss saddle type turret. These turrets also will come saddle type turret. Saddle is there. On the saddle, the turret head will be fitted. So that is saddle type turret. So in this ram type, what is the ram? Already we discussed in case of capstan lathe, the ram will move forward. The ram will move forward. Saddle type turret, on the saddle it is fixed. Ram will not be there. Then on the saddle there is a ram which moves to hold the drill holder and moves for operation, which moves for operation. That is the ram. When the ram comes forward, overhang will be there. That is used for lighter duty works. Saddle one is little bit heavy duty work. Then next one, the checking machine. The checking machine is used only fixtures and checks will be used, fixtures and checks. This is used for turning, casting as well as forging. The last one is vertical turret lathe. The turret head is vertical. Vertical means the circular turret head we discussed in the last class about capstan. So keep this one. What are the types of turret lathes available? One is saddle type turret lathe. Second one is ram type turret lathe. The third one is checking machine. The fourth one is vertical turret lathe. Vertical turret lathe is rotatable. Then holders will be there. That is heavy duty. Then this one is ram type is light duty. Saddle type is normal, medium duty. Checking machine is only forgings and castings will be done mostly on checking machine. There are 4. Then in that, dead stops and trips. What do you understand by dead stop? The name indicates stop. Stop means dead. Dead means the end will not be passed over that. That's why the name is given dead stop. So the carriage will not move forward from there. That means when we set for dead stops for the carriage and for the turret head, the tool will not move. Up to there the tool will go. That restricted length of the operation. The stop, when the stop provided, that will go and touch, will come back. Then what do you understand by trips? Stops means, for example, carriage locks. Carriage will not move. So that means that is fitted on the sometimes feed shaft, sometimes there is a provision with a spline shaft for the turret head. On that they will be fixed, the stoppers depend upon the operation, how much length will be there. Then second one, trips. As the name indicates, trip means power off. So sometimes the lathes will have automatic operation. For the feed rod, there will be a motor. Already I kept in the WhatsApp about capstan lathe. There is a motor to give automatic feed. So when trip touches, automatically the motor stops. So that carriage will stop there. So like this, there are dead stops and trips are provided. The next one, finger stops. Finger stops, where the finger stops will be there. For example, cross-slide graduated collar is there. Over that we can fix finger stops. In case of indexing head also, there will be finger stops. That finger stops will be mostly fitted on the graduated collar. You have to maintain from there to here. Then feed trips, the feed stops. Feed trips means feed stops. These are all given there. Sometimes these are all provided on the lathe for carriage and cross-slide. What about turret? A turret head will have 6 positions. There are 6 bolts at the end of the turret head, right side end of the turret head. The bolts will lock whatever the distance the turret head will move. So that also I repaired and kept. I will make the video for today for you. I will make the video today for you about the mechanism of turret head. Already I repaired and kept. Today I will open and one by one I will show you all the parts, how it is working about the turret. Same mechanism will be applied for turret head of turret lathe and turret head of capstan lathe. So keep that one in the mind. Then dead stops already we discussed. Then collets are used. The collets are used on capstan lathes. What are the collets are used on capstan and turret lathe? You know very well, you have seen the collets already we discussed in case of work holding accessories. The collets, different types of collets, push in collet, push out collets, dead length bar collet, like that. Many collets, drawback collet, these are all we discussed. In that collet, dead length type collet, the step is provided on the collet, that we can call it as dead length type collet. Then drawback collet means, the drawback collet already you have seen that Judes are set for the Kirloskar 1330 to make the ball, that is dead length bar collet. Then next push out collet, that means outside we are pushing to lock the collet. Taper given from outside to inside. Front portion is smaller diameter and back portion is bigger diameter. Keep that one in the mind. Sometimes smaller back side, front is bigger side for collet. HMT collet you have seen, front is more diameter, back is small diameter. Sometimes the taper is provided, back is big and front is small, that we can call it as push out. Then push out type collets. Then points to be remembered while using the collet. So when the collet you are using, don't think that we can use 0.5 this side and that side. If you are using 0.5 1 mm, if it is not going hitting into that, the collet becomes spoiled. So to maintain the collet correctly, you have to use 0.1 plus side or 0.1 minus side, not more than that. That you have to maintain whenever you are using the collets. Then next, difference between that collets also, the holders are there, collet holders are there for HMT machine. So for holding the collet like that, collet holders will be available for this turret lathes also. Then next, you see the difference between once again capstan and turret lathe. Turret lathe, in turret lathe, turret is mounted on the saddle or short slide. So in case of capstan lathe, turret is mounted on the saddle over the auxiliary slide. That means saddle is fitted on the bed, over that auxiliary side will be there. So that is a ram, we can say. Ram will be there. Construction provide rigidity here. Construction provide lighter there. And support will be, entire support will be there in case of turret. That means longer jobs we can do. In case of turret only shorter length and lighter jobs we can do. Here tool holding devices many we can use, and taking the support in the tool holding devices itself there are some supports. That means V study, roller study, everything will be available in the tool holder only. Then next, capstan lathe only lighter works, small works, not heavy works. Then next, the turret lathes are available maximum diameter of 200 mm. Turret lathes we can hold 200 mm. That means only 50 millimeters, not more than that. Then larger and heavier workpieces can be done on turret lathes, and the lighter work and lighter jobs, small cuts will be taken. In case of turret lathe, HP of the machine will be more, HP of the machine will be less, feeds are available more, then RPM also available more, then number of operations will be completed more here in case of turret. Capstan will be little bit less, automatic will be given here, sometimes automatic may not be given for that. So these are the difference between capstan and turret lathes. There are types of turret lathes. One is horizontal type turret lathe and vertical type turret lathe. Horizontal type means already we discussed horizontal, that means seating of the turret head straight. Vertical means that circular model. Circular model means all the tools will rotate horizontal type. So that you remember that horizontal type and vertical type. Vertical type spindle straight and rotated like this. Horizontal type this will be rotated like this, vertical type. So these are the differences. What are the tool holders? We will discuss. Already we discussed single cutter tool holder, the number one. Second one, multi-cutter tool holder, roller steady turning tool holder, multi-cutter tool holder, like that so many tool holders already we discussed. Like this, while doing this work, so we have to remember that Threading also will be done by using the single point cutting tool. Taper also will be done by using the taper turning attachment. Here one we remember that dies, self opening die we can use, collapsible die we can use, so many dies we can use, the chasers to produce external threads we can use, the single point cutting tool we can use, number of operations we can produce on the turret head. So if you know the lathe about this, you can tell easily what are the operations we can produce there. The number of operations can be produced in the minimum time. The time is very less we can taken here. The time taken is more in case of center lathe. So keep remember that this is the turret lathe, the turret mechanism, everything you know very well. What is the difference between turret lathe and capstan lathe? So immediately you must get an idea. Turret and capstan, these are the production lathes. Difference between turret and capstan lathe. This is a heavy duty work, this is a light duty work. So you remember that what is the difference? Either he is asking center lathe and production lathe, center lathe and turret lathe, center lathe and capstan lathe. So depends on that you have to write the answer. Sometimes difference between capstan lathe and center lathe they may ask. Difference between center lathe and turret lathe they may ask. Difference between center lathe and production lathe they may ask. In the production lathe, you know very well, single spindle automatic lathe already we discussed. So that's why whenever you are listening, you keep concentration. So that means I wanted to listen. Your mind is somewhere else, you cannot understand this matter. So carefully, whatever you want. So what you listened, sir said, so turret lathe is a production lathe. Whether it is correct or not, you go to book and open and see, it is in the WhatsApp. Turret lathe is a production lathe. Sir said heavy duty work we can do. Yes, that point is there, heavy duty. Number of operations will be done more. RPM will be more. Then feed, automatic feed will be available for carriage, for cross slide, like that one by one. If you study, you can understand. Today only you open the book. Don't open tomorrow or day after tomorrow. You cannot understand it. Whatever you listen, you open the book, you can understand easily. Okay, if you have any doubt, you raise question. Do you have any doubt? Another 2-3 minutes we have. Do you have any doubt? No doubt. So they are not opening the mouth.